ये सामने जो आपके रखा हुआ है, दिस इज़ बेसिकली चेरी टोमेटोज. So I have been doing it for last many years. It is very easy to grow at your rooftop. Everyone can grow it. In detail, I'll tell you how to grow it, what is the market value, and why it is to be grown. In marketplace, you normally get the bigger size of tomatoes, which is used for the vegetables, used as vegetable and salad. In off late, this variety has become very famous. If you go to these malls and all, you get it roughly 300 rupees kg compared to 40 rupees, 50 rupees kg tomatoes. So purpose of showing it to you that it has got a lot of commercial value. Anybody can do it.